Hi. Welcome. In this video, I'll show you the calendar page. As you can see, with a Dojo account, the Dojo Calendar section is available. We'll look at the difference between the private calendar and the Dojo Calendar. In the private calendar, the events you add are visible only to you. In the Dojo Calendar, all your Judoka members of the dojo can see the events you add. In the dashboard, an overview of today's scheduled events is available. By clicking on an event, you can edit or delete it. Now let's look at the Dojo Calendar page. Unlike the private calendar, here we can add categories with a specific color. For example, I can assign green to tournaments and red to training sessions. I can add other categories or create an event and assign it to a specific category. To create an event, I can click directly on a calendar cell or, alternatively, enter the dates manually. Here too, if the event is scheduled for today, it will appear in the home dashboard. I wish you a great training session.